In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change AutoCAD language. We're focusing on Windows, and the method uses official language packs from Autodesk. This approach is safe, supported, and doesn't replace your main installation. It simply adds another way to launch AutoCAD in a different language. First, sign into your Autodesk account on the web. Make sure you are using the account tied to your AutoCAD license. If you have multiple products or versions, that's fine, we will pick the exact one in a moment. Once you are in, head to All Products and Services. Find your AutoCAD product and click View Details. This page is where Autodesk keeps everything related to your license and downloads. If you see several AutoCAD entries, select the specific version you have installed on your computer, so the language pack will match it perfectly. Next, open the Languages tab. You'll see a list of available language packs for your version. Choose the language you want and start the download. These files can be fairly large, so give it time and save it somewhere easy to find, like your Downloads folder. It's important to grab the pack that matches both your AutoCAD version and your Windows setup. If you are not sure, check the version shown when AutoCAD launches. And confirm whether your Windows is 64-bit, which most are. Before you install, make sure AutoCAD is completely closed. That includes closing any drawings and ensuring the program isn't running in the background. When you are ready, run the downloaded installer. If Windows asks for permission, allow it, and follow the prompts. The installer will add the new language resources alongside your existing AutoCAD files. Installation time varies, but it's usually just a few minutes on a typical connection and system. After the install finishes, you won't change the language inside the running app. Instead, open the Windows Start menu, find the AutoCAD folder, and look for a new shortcut labeled with the language you just installed. For example, you will see a separate entry indicating the language name. Launch AutoCAD from that shortcut to start the program directly in the new language. You can right-click it to pin it to Start or the taskbar, so it's easy to find later. If you don't see the new shortcut right away, try searching for AutoCAD by name or sign out and back into Windows. And remember, your license, tool palettes, and projects stay the same, only the interface language changes. That's it. Thanks for watching.